Recently, Array Global Accreditation completed successful accreditation visits to several schools across Kazakhstan. An inspiring opportunity to witness the remarkable progress, dedication, and innovation happening in classrooms throughout the region. During the visit, the Array Global Accreditation team met with administrators, teachers, students, and parents. Across every interview and classroom observation, one theme was clear. These schools are committed to excellence, continuous improvement, and creating meaningful learning experiences for every student.
We are from the United States, and what our job is we go around to schools all over the world, and we check to make sure that they're meeting a good standard. So when you go to apply to a university, that university is going to say, you were at the Belinsky school, good school, let's give you that. And something like that.
Through a partnership with FADE, schools may provide students with a dual diploma pathway, allowing graduates to earn both a Kazakh diploma and an American high school diploma, opening doors to worldwide university and career opportunities. The schools that participated in these visits have much to be proud of. Their commitment to growth and their dedication to serving students reflect the very best of education in Kazakhstan. If your school is interested in pursuing accreditation, enhancing quality, and opening international pathways for students, we invite you to contact Array Global Accreditation Administration. Together, we can support a culture of excellence and empower students for a global future.